And you can shrink this down a little bit so you can see both screens.
Oh. Scoot it down.
Well, shrink the size so that you have both screens next to, yeah, that's fine.
Next to each other?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. And see, and can see there. Okay. That's good. Okay. So this one is the one where we're going to write the code. And
but didn't we have to do something over here first?
Well, after when we tested that web browser open, we did it over there. But first we wrote the comment over here about what we were going to do.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay, so go ahead and write your comment about what steps we're going to take to.
And did I need a
hashtag or
yeah.
pound sign?
And we were going to.
Okay.
Open web browser.
Yeah. After waiting 2 hours, we're going to open the web browser.
Oh.
That's okay. You can write it this way. This is fine.
2 hours. Open web browser in 2
hours to play.
Play
music.
Music.
To take a break.
To take a break.
Right.
And then hashtag.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, return and hashtag for the next line.
Return. Oh yeah, and then do it again.
And then, okay.
Same thing.
Why are you repeating this line?
So it'll do it 3 times. Well, don't I have to do it 3 times?
Yeah, but you don't really have to write the comment 3 times. What you need to do is say. Okay. Oh, I didn't see. I couldn't even see the other screen.
Oh yeah, that's what I was doing.
Oh,
okay.
Okay. So what you want to say is repeat above 2 steps 3 times to take 3.
Repeat above
3 steps. 2 steps 3 times.
Repeat above
2 steps.
2 steps
3 times.
3 times.
To take 3 breaks.
To take 3 breaks.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Now, if you want to test that web browser again on the shell script, you can.
Do I need to?
You don't need to because we verified that it worked the way we expected.
Okay.
So that just means I'll come over here and actually write what we. Okay. You want your cursor down here. Okay. So the first thing that we did when we ran it on the shell script was import web browser. So you want to type import web browser.
Nothing in front of it?
Right. But you don't want a space between there.
In any of it?
Oh, no. You want to... Yes.
Web browser.
Right.
Come on, spell right.
I know, that's the hardest part, spelling.
Import the web browser.
Okay, that's it. The next line, you got to do the next line. And go down another line to put space between. Okay. Now, web browser dot open. It needs 2 B's.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Open. And then open paren. And
the URL was...
Okay, now we got to copy that from our Chrome one. So open the Chrome one and just copy that address. Okay. Now, put a quote sign to tell Python it's going to be a string. Okay, now paste it. And then the close quote and the close paren. And so you notice how it highlights that to show that that's all one. So if you don't get that highlight, then you know you're missing something. Okay, so go ahead and do return. And also, I don't know if you noticed, but it's color code stuff.
Yeah, I see that.
So the orange is programming words.
Oh, okay.
So like for would be orange, if would be orange. You know, import is orange.
Okay.
Print. Strings are green.
Oh, okay. Okay. I never knew that.
Yeah, yeah. And the stuff that's added by you or other people, and actually functions are usually. I don't know if it's going to work with this space in
should
here.
I back it up?
Yeah, I mean you could try it with that space.
I didn't know I spaced.
Okay.
Had an extra space.
Yeah, I saw the space when you were typing it.
Oh, okay. I must have hit it twice.
Okay. Well, no, I mean, that paren should be...
Oh.
I mean, is there another space in there?
No.
Okay. So, because the paren should be right next to the open,
Oh,
probably. I mean...
I'm sure.
No, you're fine. As long as there's no space between the N and the paren. Okay.
There isn't, because this one's the same way.
Now you could go ahead and run this program the way it is to test this, as it is so far. So do a file save as. File save as, and then you can call this take a break, or take a break, I guess.
Well, I'm not.
And .py, you want to do a .py. Well, you might not need to on Windows 10. I needed to on Windows, for Python. I needed to on Windows 7, but I didn't on Windows 8, so you probably don't need to. It probably automatically will do it for you, but the worst that will happen is it'll have .py twice, and that won't hurt. Okay, now to run this, you go run up here, and run module down here. There it goes. There it goes. And then you have to get the add. That's the bad part. That kind of ruins the effectiveness of it. Okay, skip add. Okay, here you go.
Oh,
it worked.
Yeah, that was much quicker.
Yes, that was a lot quicker. So that was worth it.
Yeah. So, okay.
Okay, so you can close that. You don't need it now, unless you want to listen to it. Okay, so before we do the web browser, though, we want it to wait some amount of time. So there's another module that's called time.
Oh, okay.
That has a sleep function in it.
Oh.
That tells the computer to sleep a certain number of seconds. So we want to go back up here and put import time.
Up here?
Yeah, just
this?
after web browser. Yeah.
Okay.
Just do a return.
Oh, a return. Okay.
Yeah, put it on the new line and import time.
Import time.
Okay, and then a return. Okay, and do another return, and then do. Now, to call the sleep function, you do time.sleep.
Time.sleep.
Open paren. And put the number of seconds that you want it to sleep. So we don't want to wait 2 hours, so we'll just put 10 seconds or 30 seconds, whatever amount of time you want it. Okay, and then close paren. Okay, and you can go ahead and save this and run this and see if that works.
Save this?
Yep. Just save. You don't have to retype the name each time. Just.
Well, I could have gone out.
I mean, you should have done the other save, because now it's gonna. Yeah, just say yes. It's fine. Okay. Okay, now run.
Run.
Click on run.
Oh yeah.
You could do F5 if you'd rather. F5 will run it too.
Okay. Maybe.
Where's your F key?
Here's F.
No, your function key.
Oh, those aren't. I don't think those are.
Yeah. That's a different.
Yeah. Must be saved.
Oh, I thought you saved it.
I thought we did too.
Just do it again. Save. Okay, now F5.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, now it's running. See, now it's waiting. Now it's going to wait 10 seconds. And then it'll open the browser. There you go. Okay. And you can close that anytime you want. Okay. Now, the final thing for the moment is to get this to repeat 3 times.
Okay.
Now, the way to do that is to put it inside of a loop. Either that or type the code 3 times over and over. But the usual way in a programming language is to do a loop, either a for loop or a while loop. I like the for loop on the Python because it does the counter for you. Most loops don't. You have to do your own counter. But the for loop in Python, you give it a list. So you would say for index